Rest in peace, the MOSFET, it got hit by a bazooka. What's up, guys? We are back today for part 2 with the Alienware 17 R4 laptop that has no power. You would plug the cable in, the light would just go out immediately telling us there was a short circuit. So in part 1, we went over finding the short circuit over here. We followed that downstream over to the MOSFETs right here, and it was definitely a bit of damage going on here, which is unfortunate because the odds of this repair being successful are very low, because we might have had quite a bit of overcurrent going into the CPU, and this could be completely dead. So what do we do from here? Well, I'm going to replace 4 of these MOSFETs just because they are looking pretty bad, and then actually I'm going to replace all of these inductors right here. So we're going to get rid of those. I've got new ones from Mouser Electronics here that are the same rating, and we're going to get that done next. And we definitely had signs of a lot of current flowing through this, which is not looking good for our end result, but we're going to try anyway, of course. And this was the top layer of the solder mask was cracked due to the excessive heat that came through here. So we're definitely going to get the inductors put on here, and then over here we're going to replace. I'm just going to replace all of them because I have the parts to do it, and why not? Just get some new stuff on there. So let's get that started. Let's remove what is left on the board real quick, and then we'll get them replaced. All right, and this should be ready to come off of here pretty soon. Start to melt, there we go. So there's one more of the MOSFETs. Okay, and this inductor looked like it's about to come up. Awesome, got that removed. We're just gonna get this area nice and cleaned up for putting in our new components real quick. If anybody's asking why I'm replacing the inductors when they're probably not bad, look at this one and then look at the one I'm replacing it with. Look at the color difference. It's insane how much heat these dealt with. So I'm already here and it's not hard to replace them. So I figure if I have them, why not? Okay, and we're on to the next one here. We got that one nice and re-tinned, so we're just going to get the flux cleaned up on that, and we'll move on to the next few. All right, it is looking pretty good, so we'll get things started here. Let me just clean this up best I can real quick. Here's our new VRM MOSFETs here, so let's get one installed right in place. And everything is looking really good, so we're gonna move on. All right, we got it all done, so we are now going to just clean this up and we'll get it tested pretty soon. Okay, I just did a very thorough cleaning. Let's test. Everything is in place. Excellent. Get the MOSFETs here. No short. Let's go down here. Oh, let me get this in view. Excellent. Yes. Yes. Oh, hold on. Yes. And yes. Very good. I am going to get this together and let's hope and pray that it works. All right, the behemoth is partially reassembled. We have the charging cable here. The light is on and it used to turn off immediately due to the short circuit. Here we go, guys. Let me situate the camera so you can watch. Does it stay on? Does the light stay on? Oh my God, the light stays on. Look at that. Okay. Oh, we got flashing. Let's see what happens. Sometimes it takes a second. It always isn't instantaneous. Okay, the light's still on. I hear some noise. What's happening? Oh. Oh. Is it blue right after? Damn. That is a bad CPU. 2 red, 1 blue. Yep. Damn. I was almost certain that we had it. But Not a big surprise. We did know that this was something that could happen. But I have a surprise for you guys. I ordered a CPU from China. So we're gonna go as far as trying to replace the entire CPU, and it's probably gonna be a couple weeks. It hasn't even been shipped yet, but I ordered it right when I got this started because I was like, hey, if this thing doesn't work, we're gonna go the extra mile and replace the CPU. So check out a part 3. Sorry this didn't work, but at least we gave it a try.